Welcome to the Neuro-Somatic education platform. When you arrive on the landing page of the platform, you can either sign up if you don't have a subscription, or you can simply log in here if you already have an account. You then arrive on the dashboard where you will find a link to log into the weekly lessons which take place on Mondays at 5:30. Here you have a quick link to access all of the conferences and documentaries. Here's the lesson of the day, a suggestion updated daily. Here are the most recent lessons which have been uploaded to the platform. And here's a quick link for curated series of lessons. This section is for people signed up in a professional training program. And you'll also find on this page virtual workshops and advanced trainings related to different fields of neurosomatic education. Here's a page where you will find the series of lessons, and it automatically displays the series based on the language settings you've set up on the platform. And if you're bilingual, you can click here to access the other language. The player displays at the bottom, and you can click here to get a full screen display, which allows you to explore the lessons more freely, and you have different settings such as fast forward, 10 seconds backward and forward. If you go to the section called All the Lessons, you'll get access to all of the lessons uncurated. And you can filter them by language or teachers, for example. The section called Playlist is an advanced feature for people signed up in a professional training. And in the favorite section, you can find all of your favorite lessons, which you can add by clicking on this icon. In the conference section, you can find the documentaries and conferences in 12 folders corresponding to 12 different domains. And this is where you'll be able to dive into the conferences and documentaries. You can click here to change your settings, to choose, for example, your default language for the platform. And you can also change your password or profile picture. And finally, if you would like to unsubscribe at some point, you can click on this link.